Welcome to Business Central, short for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. The NAV web client users in the room may be a bit more comfortable with the new look. Don't worry, desktop users, you'll see some familiar navigation and functions in no time. The ribbon has been removed and replaced with a command bar. The command bar houses navigation to various locations inside of your solution. Think of these as the tabs that were included inside of NAV. In fact, one of the tabs includes some assisted setup wizards that are designed to streamline the configuration of the product. Here we have a variety of wizards that go beyond simply adding company information. We can even set up approval workflows and your connection to your CRM tool, Microsoft Dynamics 365 for sales. Please allow me to point out our first exposure to artificial intelligence. Microsoft recently posted that they are in need of 2,000 folks to keep up with their AI goals. This tool displays information about your company as well as Power BI data for you to review and have at your fingertips at all times. As we look closer at our dashboard, we'll see another example of artificial intelligence at work. The customer insights scrolling in the upper left are measures that are important to your organization. These drillable insights ensure that users are in real time. Activity queues were introduced to NAV somewhere around 2015. This replaced the stacks of paper that were used in 2013. The next section of the dashboard shows that BC has further developed this tool. Users can be presented with dollar amounts or statistical data to keep track of their business. The stripes indicate urgency and are based on thresholds that make sense for your organization. As users set up these queues, those thresholds can be adjusted so that their display presents information and activities that they need. New to the dashboard are embedded videos. These videos are at your fingertips in case there are certain functions or areas of the system that you may have forgotten. Now those videos can be present on your dashboard, not only for a refresher, but also for a consistent tool set for your users. Charts and lists are still available along with the report inbox that shows reports that you've scheduled to run automatically, but that may have not ran yet. Microsoft has upgraded the integration to Power BI to make the experience seamless. Users can see a dashboard within a dashboard for a quick view of additional data. This report can be expanded for additional analysis. This information is even drillable so that we can see more data that is driving the particular visualization. The dashboard is still role center driven and can be personalized just like inside of NAV. One major area for investment for Microsoft has been the integration of the stack. The stack is defined as all of those productivity tools that all of us are so used to using today. Things like Word, things like Excel, Teams, and Delve have all been integrated to create a seamless experience and empower our users to be even more efficient with more tools at their disposal. In fact, the lines between different tools are being blurred with these powerful integrations. For those of us that use Outlook every day, Microsoft has built an integration that allows us to see information about our clients, about our vendors, and other areas inside of Business Central right inside of Outlook. Business Central recognizes the connection between this email address and this customer. And this could be a vendor, customer, or even an item. Now, Microsoft has also built intelligence that will give us the ability to execute transactions right inside of our Outlook window. In fact, when I go to start a sales quote for this particular client, Business Central recognizes from the body of the email something familiar. It recognizes these Paris chairs and makes a suggestion in order for me to add these items to my quote. Now I can create the quote based on the intelligence tools that have collected data from inside the body of my email, as well as the association to this particular email. So my header has been pre-populated, as well as the item. And if I have my pricing and costs set up accurately, all that information is accurately presented to me here in my window. And if I need to send that for approval, send it by email, even make it an order, all that can be accomplished right from inside of my Outlook window. Real transactions can be completed from this window because this is full-blown BC right inside of Outlook. The goal of Business Central is to create one version of the truth that empowers your team to make better decisions faster. Everyone will be going to the same place to see the same data. This makes keeping this data up to date paramount. If sales, let's say for example, sales territories change, then you will need to update customer cards to make sure that the right salespeople are receiving credit for sales to the proper customers. This could mean a large amount of time and a large amount of entries. Business Central includes a tool called Edit in Excel that streamlines that process. The Edit in Excel tool is designed to allow for you to export the data to Excel and give you the ability to make changes with validation. If I change my sales rep and attempt to publish this to Business Central, then Business Central recognizes that that sales rep has not been added to my roster of salespeople. So there is validation between the changing of data inside of Excel and the publishing to Business Central. If I enter bad data, BC lets me know and does not publish until the error is corrected. In closing, these are only some of the upgraded tools that Microsoft has added to NAV in order to create the new Business Central that is available in the cloud and on-premise.